वेलकम बैक टू द सीरीज ऑफ कंट्री एक्सप्लोर विद ग्रोथपेस। आज हम बात करेंगे एक अलबेले जगह के बारे में, अल्बानिया। अल्बानिया एक छोटी कंट्री है जो कि साउदर्न यूरोप में सिचुएटेड है एंड इट इज द थर्ड पुअरेस्ट कंट्री इन यूरोप। कैपिटल ऑफ अल्बानिया इज तिराना। Albania is known worldwide for its religious tolerance. The main religions in Albania are Islam and Christianity. अगर हम बात करें पॉपुलेशन की तो it stood at 2.83 million in January 2024, in which more than half of the population are Muslims. Currency were used in Albania are Albanian lek, which is 1 Albanian lek is equal to 0.90 INR. The language officially used in Albania are Albanian. उसके अलावा जो लैंग्वेज यूज होते हैं टोश्क नॉर्थ में और घेट साउथ में. English is also spoken in Albania, but it is spoken by less than half of the population. अगर बात की जाए एक्सपेंस की तो ये काफ़ी बजट फ्रेंडली जगह है ट्रैवलर्स के लिए. Let's talk about the major ports. They are Durrës, Vlorë, Sarande and Sengzi. There are some lists of supermarkets which are truly working good in their zone, such as Big Market is the biggest supermarket in Albania, with an estimated annual turnover of 100 million euros. It had 180 stores in the country as of 2022, and it trades under the banners Big Market and Tirana Cash and Carry. SPAR recorded an annual turnover of 75 million euros in Albania in 2021. It had 66 stores in the country as of the same year. Cornerd recorded an estimated annual turnover of 100 million euros in Albania in 2020. It had 27 outlets in Albania as of 2021. Ecomarket recorded an estimated annual turnover of 14 million euros in 2020. The retail chain had 19 outlets in Albania as of 2021. Extra Market ranks 5th on the list and had an estimated turnover of 5 million euros in 2020. The retailer operated 10 stores in Albania as of 2021. तो अगर आप भी चाहते हैं कि आपकी खुद की बिजनेस यूरोप के अलबेले अल्बानिया में हो तो आप जुड़ सकते हैं ग्रोथबिज के साथ. It proves and provides you an e-commerce platform where you can establish your business globally.